Mexico. I'm really excited. This is called Costa Bajamar, and you're welcome. So this condo has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. In this first bedroom, we have a beautiful view to the golf course. And then we move along and we have this beautiful hallway that ends with a view to the Pacific Ocean. This is the second bedroom, which can be either a bedroom or a home office. And this is the full bathroom. So here we have a laundry area where you can put your washer and dryer. Then we move along to the master bedroom, which has some beautiful French doors that open up to the Pacific Ocean. Just an amazing view to wake up to. And it also comes with a walk-in closet and a full bathroom. And now we move along to the living area, which is this beautiful either resting area, family area, the dining room, and a kitchen. The kitchen comes fully equipped. And now this is my favorite part, to the terrace. You can smell the ocean. Thank you for coming, and I hope you come very, very soon.